Hey everyone, my name is Cabral Penullar, and today I'm going to show you how to use Open Broadcaster software or OBS to record on your computer screen as well as your voice. So first things first is we're going to want to go to the website and download OBS. Should be the first option. And go to the Downloads tab and just make sure to click the version that you need. So once you have your OBS downloaded and installed, let's get it situated. So should look like this. It's gonna look a little different for you guys, and don't worry about these because I'll get to them later on. So first, let's go into the file and go to settings, click into output, and then the recording tab. One thing I want to go over is the recording path. Make sure you select a path that or set a folder, because once you finish recording, you want to make sure you know where your videos are so you don't get lost trying to look for them. And two things I recommend. First is the recording format. It's good to have it in MP4. I think by default it puts it in like MOV or something, but I think MP4 is nice because they're friendlier to play and they're a lot smaller in file size. You don't have to, but just small advice. And another thing is hotkeys. You can have like keybinds to start and recording your video. So I have them here. I think they're really useful for recording. So next up, I'll go over how to set up to record your screen. So first, you click this plus right here, and we're adding a new scene. I'll just name this tutorial for now, just for the sake of this. Once we have that, it'll look like a black screen for you guys right now, but go into the sources tab over here and click the plus. And once you click the plus, click into display capture. Once you have that, just click create new and click OK, and it should end up looking like this. There you go. And there you have it. That's how you can record your or capture your screen. You can mess around with like your desktop audio here in the bottom to make sure it's capturing it, like so that your mic isn't louder or your desktop audio isn't louder. And there you have it. That's pretty much all of it. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.